Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this stunning looking 2015 registered Alfa Romeo Giulietta. This is the 1.4 multi-air exclusive 5-door hatchback. Current recorded mileage is 69,507. It's a one former keeper car from new, recently come in part exchange. Very good service history. We have 6 services in total. The most recent service was carried out as part of our preparation, which has just been carried out in March 22. Also, the car was due a cambelt change, so that has just been replaced along with the water pump and auxiliary belt. Also, the air conditioning has been regassed. Front brake pads have also been replaced. MOT expires on the 3rd of December 2022. Tyres are all Pirelli branded. We have 4.7 and 7.2 millimeters on the front, 3.6 and 3.8 millimeters on the rear. Very nice level of specification with the car. It comes with rear parking sensors, privacy glass. You do have the LED front running lights, as well as having the stereo system has just been replaced by us to upgrade it to offer things like sort of Apple CarPlay, where you can then access things like Google Maps, etc. It's a great engine, 170 brake horsepower from the 1.4 multi-air engine. It is Euro 6 compliant, so it is ultra low emission zone exempt. 49 combined MPG. 12 months road tax for this car is £155. Inside the car is a very nice condition, half leather cloth interior. Very clean. Set of fitted carpet mats for both front and rear. Into the front, so nice level of specification. Got front and rear electric windows along with electric power fold wing mirrors. So it does come with the automatic headlights as well as things like auto wipers, say rear parking sensors. Also the car is fitted with heated front seats. That's the new Sony system that's just been installed. So that offers you now Bluetooth for telephone. You can then stream music. Also, say things like Apple CarPlay, so you can gain access to all of your apps on your phone, Spotify, Google Maps, etc. Dual zone climate control air conditioning. So there is a USB attachment as well. This great condition one former keeper Alfa Romeo Giulietta is declared as motor check provenance clear. The car is now fully prepared for sale and can be driven away on the same day as purchase. It will be supplied with one remote central locking key. The car also comes with a spare wheel. All the tools are present, as well as the locking wheel nut. For further information, I just urge you to go to our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you can read a very detailed description, view extensive photography along with this walk around video. You can see all of our warranty information. We have an interactive finance calculator, as well as reading our independent consumer reviews. Also, we are able to hold all the paperwork for the vehicle in PDF form on the advert too. Thanks again for taking the time to watch the video. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us at Berkshire Used Cars.